What's going on YouTube? Is Life of Calhoun, just back at you. Actually today, when I say back at you, how things gone, we're gonna do back today. I'm gonna show you the best way to do back, and I actually gotta get dressed. I'm still not dressed, I'm in the locker room, and just bring it back to you. We're gonna do back today. I'm gonna show you the main thing and the main what I like in the back machine, how to properly do it. I'm gonna do it sets of 8, give y'all heads up, waiting on my crew to get here. So when they get here, I want to do it, then I'm gonna let them do it, then we'll talk more on the forum with that. So today y'all gonna know how to do back. I'll see y'all here in a minute when I get dressed and when we're out there killing it. Listen, what's up? Back out again. This is the back exercise I was talking about, and we'll kill it. I'm gonna kill it for 8, then I'm gonna show a couple of my partners killing it for 8. Then we'll go right into it. This is the back exercise, my most favorite back exercise. We warmed up on a machine. That's why I usually warm up on heavy weight. I say warm up, just stretching your muscles. Then right here is true weight and it's doing your backs. We're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna jump in and do my set, and we'll see and let y'all see what's up on that. So I'm gonna do 8. So here we go. Jump in here, lay down. Gonna push up. It's like always posing. Always pose. Come down. Come up. Pose. Come up. Pose. Down. Come up. Pose. Down. 4, 5, 6. It's always a pose up top. 8. I always squeeze my last one. Set that down, man. Go ahead and do this. Alright. I'll get it, Larry. Alright, I'm gonna explain the exercise, what I mean. When I was doing it, as y'all seen, when I did 8, this is what it looks up close when you actually do 8 reps, real slow, and what your back's gonna look like whenever you do it, what it stretches and how it stretches when you track your muscles going up and you track your muscles going down. So I'm gonna turn around and y'all actually gonna see what your back will look like whenever you're doing this. So here's good in details. He's getting strapped up, so I'm gonna give y'all good details on him doing his. So you got it, bro.
Where can I subscribe?
Oh yeah. See ya. See how slow he's going. It's all about the technique. That's where a lot of people mess up at. It's all good, man. Kill it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Yeah, you are. So here's another workout he's gonna do. There's a lot of weight for him. This is what you do when you just push it. So I'm gonna turn around here. He's gonna do his. You got it, boss. You got it. So here we go. There you go. There you go. Push it up. There you go. That's how you lift right here. Perfect. Come back, man. There we go. That's the way we do it. Kill it. Kill it. What's up? Done lifting weights. It's a good day, good back day. Go home, get my protein. It's been a actually been a long day. So y'all seen the process, y'all seen the back. That's how you do it. I'll meet y'all back at the crib. Sheesh. All right, back at the place. Had a good lift today, and like today was back, so we got done with that. And we did a couple reps on, we actually did 4 sets of 8. And when you do back, you always do that stretch and pose like you, like I've shown. It's always 1 second pose, 2 seconds. But I usually do 1 second pose when you come back. And when you go down, as soon as you come down, keep the tension on the whole time, then come back up. But it was a good day lift. Always add weight when you do your sets. We did 4 sets of 8, and we went all the way up to 4 plates. And that's how you do it. So any kind of questions you have, just comment below. But like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see next. I'm gonna do a lot of more routines. I'm gonna do a lot of more other stations and different body parts to lift to actually grow. So like I'm saying, it's Life of Calhoun. Join the fam. Peace.